Rebuilding confidence after emotional injury. Mental warriors, welcome to today's mental muscle exercise. Today we're rebuilding confidence after emotional injury. Feeling unsure of yourself after betrayal, manipulation, or abandonment is common. Confidence isn't loud, it's steady. It returns when you stop blaming yourself for surviving. Strategy. Today, acknowledge one situation that you handled better than you would have before, because progress counts. Healing confidence is about honoring growth, not perfection. Affirmation. My confidence grows as I heal and as I learn. Follow me at Mentally Sound Journey. Like this content, share this content with someone that may be able to use it. And as I always say, a stronger mind is a stronger you.